Dear students, now let us solve 8th question of exercise 2.2 from triangles lesson. Look at question number 8. See here, using theorem 2.2, prove that the line joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. Theorem 2.2 in your textbook is converse of Thales theorem. So, by using converse of Thales theorem, you have to prove that line joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. Recall that you have done it in class 9th. This is midpoint theorem. You proved it in 9th standard. Now you can prove midpoint theorem by using converse of Thales theorem in a simple way. We have to prove midpoint theorem by using converse of Thales theorem. Now first we have to draw a triangle, name it as triangle ABC. After that, line joining the midpoints of any two sides. Now mark the midpoint of any two sides. D is the midpoint of AB and E is the midpoint of AC. Now line joining the midpoints of any two sides, that is DE. We have to prove that DE is parallel to BC. DE is the line joining the midpoints of sides AB and AC. Now write what is given. D is the midpoint of AB. And E is the midpoint of AC. Now what we have to prove? We have to prove that line joining the midpoints of any two sides. Here line joining the midpoint of sides is DE. We have to prove that DE is parallel to BC. Now let us prove it. Start from what is given. It is given that D is the midpoint of AB. So D divides AB into two equal parts, that is AD and DB. D is the midpoint of AB, so AD is equal to DB. Similarly, E is the midpoint of AC. Look at the figure. E divides AC into two equal parts. They are AE and EC. E is the midpoint of AC, so AE is equal to EC. Now we have got two equations. One is AD is equal to DB, then A is equal to EC. Now we have to prove that DE is parallel to BC. How to prove DE is parallel to BC? We have to prove that AD by DB is equal to AE by AC, AE by EC. If the ratio of sides are equal, then line is parallel. So now divide equation 1 by equation 2, that is left hand side by left hand side, right hand side by right hand side. AD by AE is equal to dB by EC. But we want AD by dB is equal to AE by EC. Now we have to rearrange this to get AD by dB is equal to AE by EC. Now cross multiply, AD into EC is equal to dB into AE. Now take dB to the left hand side, then EC to the right hand side. That becomes AD by dB is equal to AE by EC. Means side AB and side AC are divided in the same ratio. Line DE divides side AB and side AC in the same ratio. That means DE is parallel to BC. That is because of converse of Thales theorem. If a line divides two sides in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. Now AD by dB is equal to AE by EC, so DE is parallel to BC. Hence proved.